yakni lapan benado additional chief secretary ke Sorkar Jylla ba H marwen hak jilang ke balong hak office trikam jong main secretariat Shillong hakani ke si palei utai uhe Sorkar ba pun benai ke sinjam ul ong ba ke jingpon long yakni ke jinglum jingtip kalong benyo ek jingtip bomnia hak bai dei ba ke Kamai Kajih bat kaseng kadang jong ki ba nongshong shnong ula kenturu igi rama shnong ikinok ma bikin ai jingte lang bat ke Sorkar ban pun long yakni ke jinglum khana samari ke bajom hakani ke jilang u additional chief secretary ula Paidbah ru ya ke mobile apps ya ke ba on sapron kam da kinonglum khana samari ni innovators but da ki supervisor hak jinglum ya khana samari hak bai dei ba jinglum ya khana samari ka Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation kalai te alok bat ka CSC e-governance service Indian limited ka Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology kumki implement agency nagmanta ka 7 Economic Census.
So I would take this opportunity to request all the enumerators, supervisors to please carry out your job with diligence and with commitment, because you are preparing a data which is of great economic importance for the economic planning and development of this country. The other thing is that the CSC this time, the Ministry of Static and Program Implementation, Government of India, which is the nodal department for conducting economic census throughout the country, has engaged the CSC e-governance, which is under the Ministry of Electronics and Communication. This collaboration is done because in order to bring IT tools into the gathering of data, which is very important now, because now we are in an IT age, and the use of these tools will certainly help in getting more quality data and in capturing data which were and enumerating the data, as well as collating, validating this data will be easier if it is collected in a digital form. We are covering about 6,444 villages, if I am not mistaken, and you have noticed that it will cover almost the entire state. It is a massive exercise for us. I would request again, I would like to take this opportunity to appeal to all the citizens, all the Shnong, the Nokmas, to kindly cooperate in this exercise. Because without the cooperation of the people of the state, that data we will not be able to gather data. Like Mr. Jana has just mentioned just now, that we have faced a problem when people go there. People suspect, why are you coming to my house? Why are you asking this information? But I think for that, we need more publicity. And that's the reason why the media is here. We would take this opportunity to request the media to kindly spread the news on the need of cooperation and support of all the people of the state, so that this census operation will be effective, will be efficient, and the data will be smoothly collected by the enumerators. They are coming to you because they have a job to do, and we would request all citizens of the state to kindly cooperate and give us the necessary support in collection of this data.